Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to defend in eFootball 2024. So the first thing here that you can do is by setting up your controls. So go here on the extras, here at the top, and then go to game settings and tap on play settings. And here go to cursor change. Make sure that you set this to assisted and also go to movement input range and set to medium. And once you've done, scroll down and find the defending control type. So basically we have two options here if you want standard or pressure style. If you choose standard, so if you tap on done and tap on button configuration, here on defending you will find a match up button. So matchup makes it all the more easier for your player to block oncoming passes and shots. So make sure to utilize this command effectively. Or maybe you can just press button up or down to pressure. And also if you want to use the other type, which is pressure style, and this is actually my current control type. So if you want to tap on button configuration, go to defending. So I have here the dash control, pressure, the toggle, and the switch button at the right side of your screen. Now the next thing here to basically improve your defending in eFootball is by going to your game plan. So go back here, then tap on game plan. Then here, as you can see, you can use a formation to help you for better defending. So for example, if you tap on your manager photo right there at the top left, basically you just need to tap on formation change. And here you can use some defensive formations like the 5-3-2, 4-4-2, or as you can see here, 5-3-2. These are the common effective for counter-attacking gameplay, enhancing defensive abilities while providing stability and attacking options. Now the next one here to consider is by going to the automatic match support. So here, make sure to enable this offside trap option. So it will help you to improve your defending in eFootball. And basically here, you can learn match commands in defending by going to your training. So if you tap on the extras, then tap on training, and here you will find the free training and basically just going to the practice match to help you to learn the match commands in defending. So for example, here on your gameplay, just need to press and hold that pressure button to get the ball from your opponent. Then if you want to use tackle, you just need to make sure that you tap this in the right time to make sure that you will not be able to get cards and throw out of the game. So you just need to continue to go into this training to learn more about the match commands in defending. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.